Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll show you how I remove these fuzzy fluffs on my tracksuit. I'll be using this machine to remove these fuzzy fluffs on my tracksuit. I bought this machine on Amazon ages ago, so in this compartment all the fluffy fuzz goes inside there. This machine needs 2 AA batteries to work, and that's the protecting lid for the top. Inside there are 3 very sharp blades to cut the fluff. We'll keep this lid on a side, and now I'll show you how I use this machine. So there's on and off switch, so I'm turning on and I'm gently pressing this machine on my tracksuit top, and I'm cutting all of those fuzzy fluffs off my top. And as you can see, all of them are disappearing, and this machine is super easy to use. And here are all of the fuzzy bits inside in this machine. I'll repeat same process on my tracksuit trousers too. As you can see, the waistband is very fuzzy, so I'll repeat same process till my trousers and my tracksuit top is completely fuzz free. And here you can see the difference. So this is the undone bit, a lot of fuzz on still, and this is the done bit which I just did. So the difference is amazing. And here's my completely finished tracksuit. I'll link this machine down below on description, and the most satisfying part is emptying this machine. To get rid of all of these fuzzy unwanted bits is very satisfying. Also, I always clean the blades after using this machine because the fluff, as you can see there, does gather there. And this machine comes with this little brush, and I'm gently cleaning these blades with this brush all around, very gently, because these blades there are very sharp. And after cleaning all the fluff off, I'm putting these blades back on, then putting top on, and the machine is ready to use next time. Always keep the lid on to protect the top. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.